Hello everyone. Welcome to my Study Corner YouTube channel. Today we're going to share a speech on International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year. This day was internationally recognized by the United Nations General Assembly on December 11, 2014. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated on June 21st, 2015. The day devoted to yoga was observed by millions of people. This event established two Guinness World Records for the largest yoga class and for the largest number of participating nationalities. Yoga has existed for thousands of years like an orphan, but for the first time it was acknowledged globally. According to the Oxford Dictionary, the word yoga means a Hindu spiritual and ascetic discipline, a part of which, including breath control, simple meditation, and the adoption of specific bodily postures, is widely practiced for health and relaxation, which originated in ancient India. The origin of yoga is speculated to be prior to the Vedic period as mentioned in the Rig Veda. In the 1980s, yoga became trendy as a method of physical exercise across the Western world. Yoga in India is more than physical exercise, it has a meditative and a spiritual heart. The first Hindu teacher to actively advocate and disseminate aspects of yoga to a Western audience was Swami Vivekananda. Yoga is the most effective way of connecting your soul to God. Every school should have a yoga session in the morning and have some quality yoga teachers to let people know the amazing and natural benefits of yoga, to draw attention of people worldwide towards the holistic benefits of yoga, to help people in their bad situations themselves by getting relief from stress through yoga, to strengthen the global coordination among the people, and to make people aware of physical and mental diseases and its solution, to get win over all the health challenges through regular yoga practice, and to promote better mental and physical health of people through yoga practice. Let us all come together and celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st and give ourselves the gift of well-being. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.